Based on the provided data for Bitcoin, a long-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. The historical price data demonstrates a consistent upward trend, with the recent price hovering around $67.00. The forecast price also suggests continued growth, with projections reaching $68.400 over the next week and potentially exceeding $68.600 in the near future. Therefore, a long position in Bitcoin is recommended with an entry price around $67.400. A stop-loss order can be set at $65.545.69, which is the identified support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price should be set at $69.32, the resistance price, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price surge. This strategy leverages the bullish momentum and positive forecast for Bitcoin, aiming for substantial gains in the medium to long term. Based on the provided Ethereum price history and forecast, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $2,600–$2,700 range. The forecast indicates a slight dip followed by a potential increase, aligning with the historical trend. This suggests a sideways to slightly bullish outlook in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended for a medium-term investment strategy. An ideal entry price would be around $2,620, aligning with the forecast and the recent price dip. The stop loss should be set slightly below the recent low of $2,600 to mitigate potential downside risk. The target price could be set around $2,700, aiming to capitalize on the potential upward movement indicated by both the historical data and the forecast. This strategy allows for participation in the potential upside while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Given the price trends and forecast for Solana, a medium-term investment strategy appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $160–$167 range. The forecast suggests continued upward movement, potentially reaching $170–$175 in the coming weeks. Therefore, a long position on Solana is recommended. An optimal entry price would be around $163, aligning with the forecasted price and offering a decent margin above the current support price of $157.28. To manage risk, a stop-loss order should be placed at $158, below the recent support level. Target price could be set at $170, capturing potential gains within the forecasted range. This strategy allows for participation in the expected upward trend, while mitigating potential losses through a well-defined stop-loss mechanism. Given the current price trends and forecast for Ripple, a cautious investment strategy would focus on a short-term approach. The historical prices show a slight upward trend, but the forecast suggests a potential decline in the coming week. The price is currently hovering near the resistance level of $0.5484, indicating potential for a pullback. Therefore, a short position is advisable to capitalize on the anticipated price decrease. An entry price of $0.545 would allow you to enter the trade near the resistance level, while a stop loss at $0.5484 would protect against any unexpected price surges. The target price should be set at $0.525, aligning with the lower end of the forecast range, allowing you to take profits before the price potentially reaches major support. Given the price trends and forecast for Cardano, a medium-term investment strategy appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation. Forecast indicates continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching $0.369 in the coming week. This suggests a bullish outlook for Cardano in the short to medium term. Therefore, an investment strategy for Cardano should involve a long position. A suitable entry price could be around $0.355, allowing you to buy in at a slightly discounted price before the potential upward movement. The stop loss should be placed at $0.352 to protect against unexpected price drops. The target price could be set at $0.368, capitalizing on the forecast predicted price increase. This strategy allows for a balanced approach, aiming for moderate returns within a medium-term time frame. Based on the provided price information for SUI, a short-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. The historical price data shows a fluctuating trend with no clear upward or downward momentum. The forecast price suggests a slight increase over the next week, but the price range remains relatively narrow, considering the current price near the resistance level of $2.02 and the limited upward potential. A short position could be considered. An entry price of $2.02, aligning with the resistance level, would allow for potential profit if the price retraces towards the support price of $1.8424. A stop loss at $2.09, slightly above the current price, would protect against unexpected price surges. The target price could be set at $1.90, aiming to capture a portion of the potential downward movement. This strategy capitalizes on the short-term price fluctuations and aims to generate modest returns within a week. The provided data for Filecoin indicates a recent uptrend with a positive forecast. While the price has experienced some fluctuations, it remains above the support level, suggesting underlying strength. The forecast predicts a continued upward movement, with prices potentially reaching near the resistance level. Considering these factors, an investment strategy focused on a long position in Filecoin appears promising. To execute this strategy, an entry price around $3.80 could be considered, aligning with the current price and allowing for potential upside. A stop-loss order placed at $3.726, slightly below the support level, would protect against unexpected downward movements. Target price could be set at $3.987, the resistance level, aiming to capitalize on the full potential of the predicted price increase. This strategy adopts a medium-term perspective, allowing time for the price to appreciate towards the resistance while managing risk effectively. Given the provided price data and forecast for ThetaNetwork, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals a fluctuating trend, with recent prices hovering around $1.3. The forecast suggests a slight upward movement, peaking around $1.34 in the coming week. This indicates a potential for modest gains over the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended. An appropriate entry price would be $1.3, aligning with the current market price. The stop loss should be set at $1.283, the support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price can be set at $1.371, the resistance price, aiming to capitalize on the potential upside movement. This strategy allows for a balanced approach, taking advantage of the forecast's upward trajectory while mitigating risk through a well-defined stop loss. Given the price trends and forecast for Dogwifhat, a cautious investment strategy would focus on a short-term approach. While the historical prices show some fluctuations, the recent downward trend and the forecast indicating further declines suggest a bearish outlook in the short term. The forecast suggests Dogwifhat could drop from its current price to around $2.52 in the coming week, while the support price sits at $1.642 and resistance at $2.57. This indicates that a short position might be more profitable in the short term. Therefore, an aggressive short-term investment strategy would involve entering a short position at $2.67, aligning with the current price and the forecast. The stop loss should be set at $2.72, slightly above the recent high, to protect against any unexpected price surges. The target price should be set at $2.54, slightly below the forecasted lowest price, allowing you to take profits before the market hits the support level. This strategy aims to capitalize on the anticipated price decline, while managing the risk of potential upward movements. Given the price trends and forecast for Stellar, a medium-term investment strategy appears suitable. The historical prices show a slight upward trend, with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.0902. The forecast suggests a consolidation period with minor fluctuations around the current price range. This indicates a sideways movement with limited potential for significant gains or losses in the short term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on the potential for a sustained upward movement in the medium term. The entry price should be around $0.093, slightly above the recent high, and close to the resistance level of $0.0973. The stop loss should be placed at $0.0902, the support level, to limit potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.097, aiming to capture a moderate profit before encountering the resistance level. This strategy allows for a balanced approach, taking advantage of the potential upside while mitigating risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided information about Starknet, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals a fluctuating trend with recent price increases, indicating potential for further growth. However, the forecast suggests a slight consolidation in the coming week, followed by a potential upward trajectory. This suggests that waiting for a slight dip before entering a long position could be advantageous. Therefore, a long position is recommended with an entry price around $0.415, aligning with the support price and the predicted price consolidation. A stop loss should be set at $0.412, just below the support level, to minimize potential losses. The target price should be set at $0.4346, the resistance price, aiming to capitalize on the potential upward movement. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing for potential profits while mitigating potential losses in the medium term. Given the price trends and forecast for Pendle, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation near the support level of $4.649. Forecast indicates continued upward momentum, projecting prices to reach $5.21 within the next week. This suggests a bullish outlook for Pendle in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential price increase. An entry price of $4.70 aligns with the current price and allows for entry before a potential price surge towards a resistance level of $5.035. The stop loss should be set at $4.60 to protect against unforeseen price drops, while the target price should be set at $5.10, allowing for profit taking before reaching the resistance level. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capitalize on the projected upward movement of Pendle in the medium term. Based on the provided information for Render, a short-term bearish investment strategy appears to be the most suitable. The 2-week price change shows a slight downward trend, and the forecast predicts further declines over the next week. Price is currently hovering near the resistance level of $5.271, suggesting a potential for a pullback. Therefore, a short position would be recommended. An entry price around $5.25 could be considered, with a stop loss set at $5.35 to limit potential losses. The target price could be set at $5.15, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price decline. This strategy allows for a relatively quick turnaround, taking advantage of the short-term bearish outlook for Render. Based on the provided VeChain price history and forecast, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The recent price history shows VeChain has been consolidating between $0.02197 and $0.0245, suggesting a period of sideways movement. However, the forecast indicates a slight upward trend, with prices potentially reaching $0.0239 within the next week. This suggests a potential buying opportunity for a medium-term investment. Therefore, a long position on VeChain is recommended. A suitable entry price would be around $0.0232, aligning with the current price and recent consolidation. The stop loss should be set at $0.0225, just below the recent support level, to protect against potential downside risks. The target price could be set at $0.0239, aligning with the highest forecasted price for the next week, allowing for a modest profit within a medium-term time frame. This strategy aims to capitalize on the potential upward momentum while managing risk through a well-defined stop-loss order. Based on the provided data for Binancecoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. While the 2-week price history demonstrates a general upward trend, the forecast suggests a slight consolidation period in the coming week. The historical price data shows a consistent upward trajectory, with the current price close to its forecast and near the support level of $582.1. The resistance is at $606.3, indicating that there is still some room for upward movement. Therefore, an investment strategy for Binancecoin would involve a long position. Prudent entry price would be around $595, allowing for a potential price increase towards a resistance level of $606.3. The stop loss should be placed at $585 to protect against a potential price reversal. Target price could be set at $608, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upside while mitigating risk. This strategy capitalizes on the positive historical price trend and the forecast's indication of further upward movement, while also incorporating risk management measures to protect against potential downside. Based on the provided price history and forecast for Conflux, a cautious approach with a short-term investment perspective seems most appropriate. The historical price data shows some volatility, but the overall trend hasn't been decisively bullish or bearish. The forecast indicates a slight downward movement in the coming week, suggesting a potential opportunity for short-term profits. Considering the support price at $0.1558 and the resistance at $0.1821, an entry price around $0.163 could be considered, aligning with the current price and the downward forecast. To manage risk, a stop-loss order should be placed slightly above the entry price, at approximately $0.166. This would limit potential losses if the price unexpectedly moves against the predicted direction. The target price could be set at $0.157, aiming to capture a portion of the potential downward movement while staying below the support level. This strategy focuses on capitalizing on a short-term price dip while minimizing risk through a well-defined stop-loss order. Given the price trends and forecasts for Worldcoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a generally upward trajectory, albeit with some fluctuations. The current price is near the support level of $2.116, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Forecast indicates a gradual increase in price over the next week, reaching a potential high of $2.44. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this anticipated upward momentum. An ideal entry price would be around $2.25, slightly above the current price and below the immediate resistance. A stop loss should be set at $2.12 to protect against any unexpected price drops. The target price could be set at $2.40, allowing for a reasonable profit margin before the price potentially reaches its forecast high. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capture a portion of the projected price increase while mitigating potential losses. Given the historical price data and the forecast for Avalanche, a moderately aggressive investment strategy would focus on a short-term to medium-term approach. The historical prices demonstrate a fluctuating trend with a slight upward bias, currently hovering near the support price of $27.28. The forecast suggests a slight increase in price over the next week, reaching around $27. This indicates a potential for continued consolidation or a modest upward move. Considering this outlook, a long position is recommended to capitalize on the potential for price appreciation. An entry price of $27.28 aligned with the support level, offers a good risk-reward ratio. The stop loss should be placed at $27.00 to minimize potential losses if the price dips below the support level. The target price can be set at $29.02, the resistance level, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upside. This strategy balances the risk of a short-term pullback with the opportunity for a moderate gain within a time frame of a few weeks to a month. Based on the provided price information for Jupiter, a bullish investment strategy appears promising. The historical price data reveals a generally upward trend, with the price consistently making new highs. The forecast price suggests continued upward momentum, with prices projected to reach above $1.00 in the coming weeks. This positive outlook, coupled with the fact that the current price is trading below the forecasted prices, indicates a potential for significant gains. Therefore, a long position is recommended for Jupiter. An aggressive entry point could be around $0.95, allowing you to buy in close to the support level of $0.9571 while still capturing potential upside. A stop loss could be placed at $0.93 to protect against unexpected price reversals. The target price should be set at $1.10, aiming to capitalize on the potential for Jupiter to reach the resistance level and beyond. This strategy aims to take advantage of the upward momentum and capitalize on the projected price increase. The provided data suggests a potential for a short-term upward trend in EOS. While the recent price history shows slight fluctuations, the forecast indicates a gradual increase over the next week. The support price at $0.4782 offers a safety net for potential price dips, while the resistance at $0.4941 presents a potential ceiling for the immediate upward movement. Given these factors, a short-term long position in EOS appears to be a viable strategy. An entry price near $0.485, slightly above the current price and below the resistance level, allows for potential profit from the anticipated upward movement. A stop-loss order placed at $0.4782, just below the support level, would help mitigate potential losses in case the price drops unexpectedly. A target price of $0.4941, aligned with the resistance level, offers a reasonable profit target. This strategy capitalizes on the short-term bullish momentum while managing risk effectively. Based on the provided data for TRON, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. The historical price data shows a slight downward trend, but the forecast suggests a gradual upward movement over the next week. This suggests a period of consolidation followed by potential growth. Considering the support price at $0.155 and the resistance price at $0.1627, a long position is recommended to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum. To implement this strategy, an entry price of $0.159 could be considered, allowing you to enter the market near the current price level and potentially benefit from the predicted price increase. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.155 to limit potential losses if the price declines below the support level. The target price could be set at $0.1627, aiming to capture the potential price increase towards the resistance level. This strategy allows for a balanced approach, mitigating risk while aiming for moderate returns over the medium term. Given the price trends and forecast for Coin, a medium-term investment strategy appears suitable. The historical prices show some volatility but generally trend upwards. The current price is relatively close to its support level of $0.4287, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. The forecast indicates a slight upward movement over the next week, with prices potentially reaching around $0.449. Therefore, a long position is recommended for a medium short-term investment strategy. The entry price should be set at $0.43, slightly below the current price, allowing for a margin of safety. The stop loss should be placed at $0.4287, aligning with the support level to minimize potential losses. The target price can be set at $0.453, the resistance level, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. This strategy allows for potential profits while mitigating risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided ShibaInu price data and forecast, a short-term investment strategy focusing on a long position appears to be the most suitable. The historical price data reveals a fluctuating trend with a slight upward bias. The forecast suggests continued upward movement, with prices potentially reaching the resistance level, while the support price acts as a safety net. The potential for price appreciation toward the resistance level presents a compelling opportunity for short-term gains. Therefore, an aggressive short-term investment strategy would involve entering a long position at the current price, which is close to the support level. A stop-loss order should be placed below the support price to minimize potential losses. The target price should be set at the resistance level, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. This strategy leverages the upward momentum indicated by both historical data and the forecast, seeking to maximize profits within a short time frame. Based on the provided price information for Dogecoin, a short-term investment strategy appears to be the most prudent approach. The historical price data reveals a recent upward trend, with prices hovering near their recent highs. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices projected to reach $0.149 within the next week. Considering this bullish outlook, a long position is recommended. An entry price of $0.142 aligns with the current market price and allows for potential profit capture as prices rise towards the projected target of $0.149. To manage risk, a stop-loss order should be placed at $0.138, below the recent price low and the support level of $0.12977. This strategy aims to capitalize on the short-term upward trend in Dogecoin, while mitigating potential losses. HookedProtocol shows a recent upward trend with a forecast suggesting continued growth. The current price is hovering near the support level of $0.4385, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Considering the historical price data and the forecast, a long-term investment strategy appears promising. Therefore, I recommend entering a long position in HookedProtocol at the current market price. A stop loss should be placed at $0.435 to protect against unexpected price drops. The target price can be set at $0.51, aiming to capitalize on the projected upward movement and reach the resistance level. This strategy allows for potential growth while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Given the price trends and forecast for Aevo, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals a fluctuating trend with recent upward momentum, supported by the forecast suggesting continued growth. The current price sits near the support level of $0.3454, indicating a potential buying opportunity. The resistance level of $0.3968 suggests a ceiling for the immediate upward movement, but the forecast points towards potential price increases exceeding this level in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended for Aevo. An entry price of $0.350 would allow you to capitalize on the current price proximity to the support level. The stop loss should be set at $0.345 to minimize potential losses if the price retraces. The target price could be set at $0.390, aiming to capture a portion of the projected price increase towards the resistance level. This strategy allows for a balanced approach, acknowledging the short-term volatility while capitalizing on the medium-term bullish outlook for Aevo. Given the price trends and forecast for Notcoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears suitable. The historical prices show a general upward trend, but recent fluctuations suggest some consolidation before a potential breakout. The forecast indicates a slight upward movement over the next week, with prices potentially reaching around $0.0081. The support price at $0.00780 provides a safety net for potential dips, while the resistance at $0.00844 suggests an upper limit for the immediate price action. Therefore, a long position in Notcoin is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An entry price around $0.0080 would allow you to buy near the current price level and benefit from the forecast's upward momentum. To manage risk, a stop loss at $0.00785 would protect against significant price drops. The target price could be set at $0.0084, aiming to capture the potential price increase towards the resistance level. This strategy balances the potential for profit with risk management, making it suitable for a medium-term investment approach. Suncoin's price history shows a recent consolidation period with minor fluctuations. The forecast suggests a slight downward trend in the coming week. Considering these factors, a short-term investment strategy with a short position appears suitable. The entry price should be set at $0.0188, slightly above the recent low and close to the support price. The stop loss should be placed at $0.0192, above the entry price to limit potential losses. The target price should be set at $0.0177, aligning with the lowest forecasted price for the week. This strategy aims to capitalize on the potential price decline while managing risk effectively. Given the price trends and forecast for Pepecoin, a cautious investment strategy would focus on a short-term approach to capitalize on the potential for a minor price increase. The historical prices show a slight upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.000730. The forecast suggests Pepecoin might climb towards $0.001030 in the coming week. Therefore, a long position is advisable, aiming to buy at the current price near the support level and sell when it reaches the target price of $0.001030. This strategy involves a stop loss at $0.000720 to limit potential losses if the price unexpectedly drops below the support level. While the forecast indicates a potential for growth, it's essential to acknowledge the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies and manage risk effectively.